Hi, I'm Patrick Terpstra. I'm a senior producer for the station in the Washington, D.C. Bureau here with Kyla Campbell. We're at the Supreme Court. Kyla Campbell was in there today for this huge case, this Hobby Lobby case. We thought it might be interesting to give you sort of a behind the scenes of what happens inside the courtroom because there are no cameras in it.
Right. We have to go in initially as media and get tickets in advance to make sure that there's enough seats for all of us. You go inside, then eventually go up the flight of stairs to the second floor, go through security. No electronic devices allowed, so we can't be tweeting, emailing, anything like that. So you're in there taking notes in this very small sidebar area next to the courtroom.
And I hear that not everybody gets a good view. Some people are like in front of a pillar.
Right. Prior cases I was in front of the pillar and I only heard voices, and it was interesting. But today I got a very good seat, and I was able to see 8 of the justices, and it's just a very unique view. It's a very powerful feeling in that room.
And outside we saw a bunch of protesters, a lot of action. Give us a sense of, like, inside, are you hearing the protesters? Can the justices hear what's going on?
No, I mean, it's very quiet in there. If you look at the building behind us, there's the marble steps and then the pillars and doors. If you go past those doors, it's probably close to another 150 feet back from there where the courtroom is, so it's very quiet. I think this is made of material where nose down can really get through.
And then outside, if we just sort of show, we've got all kinds of media here. Kyla, what would you say, a few dozen cameras maybe?
At least a few dozen cameras, plus all the crew members. And of course, we had a couple hundred people in line hoping to get in with the public tickets.
And this is not the norm, right?
No, normally there's nobody here except tourists passing through taking a few pictures.
All right, well, that's behind the scenes for you here at the Supreme Court. Keep watching for more coverage from Washington.